Members of the Resistance, report to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise. Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun. Fun.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in. There is the assistant, and there is the infobot. Whew, masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
It's okay. See? Just me. Rivet? Shh. Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should... Thank you.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Quad, will be your host.
With me, Sir Mars. And Rusty Page.
Wow! Haven't seen these guys in ages. Hey, this is a pretty big turnout.
Even after all of these years, it is exciting.
Yeah, it is, huh?
Give it up for our heroes!
Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear, must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
It all started on Planet Bell with Ratchet, a restless tinkerer, hungry for adventure. That night, Clank ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the defective warbot, and the rest is intergalactic history. And the crowd goes wild!
They sure pulled out all the stops.
It is, flattering.
And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade. Who could forget the Blarg invasion of Kerwan? Show the crowd some of those world-class sharp-shooting skills. Well, once he grabs some ammo, of course. Heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombats!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of? You got a sweet bounty on your head, Lawback.
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Someone put a bounty on us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Oh dear, activating Magna Boots!
Come on, let's keep this show going. Catch 'em.
So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the Blargs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or... Oh, Dr. Nefarious.
No way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Welcome to our dome. Watch out for swashbuckling marauders. Get him, Robo-Knight! Oh, really brings you back to good old days, don't it? Our heroes vanquished is the enemy. Ye must walk the dangerous plank of doom.
There, we can glide over.
The mysteries of the Grey Clock. Again with the fighting. I had an emotional monologue prepared for this one.
More goons incoming.
There he is. Let's get that sweet bounty cat.
Take out that dropship and end this! Not too bad.
Are they gone? Oh. And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Oh, pal, What? Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
We have to get the dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Turn yourself in, Lombax!
You're still here? Of course you are! Why wouldn't you be?
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Boom! That is the sound of pure power. And the Enforcer with its...
You have a good eye.
More goons! Incoming! Last one! Train's pulling away. Let's go! Put down the dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye. Hey! What did you do?
Whoa! What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Did you see that?
That was rather exciting.
Train has arrived. Release the robobots!
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Whoa! Watch your head!
This is worse than I had imagined. Sand sharks from above.
I knew you'd come.
Might as well give up.
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Nefarious' ship. We've got to find a way up there.
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, when did you rebuild the dimensionator?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, that's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
We lost the Lombax at... No! The Lombax!
All right, here. Next up, Nefarious.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
Don't let him get to the boss!
More butts.
Nice work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you, pal. All right, now let's get to Nefarious.
You two, these goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Take that, Nefarious.
Did that hurt? Good.
Toads are so unpleasant. His defenses are weakening.
Yes, run from me.
Oh dear, he is targeting us. Amoeboids. Where did Nefarious find these?
Flawless, and nothing will stop me.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably around 80. No, it doesn't matter. Today will be the last time. Watch your step! embarrassing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
Whoa! The dimensions are weakening considerably.
How bad is it?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Great!
Where are we?
Beats me.
To the depths! How many arms you got?
Fine.
We've been boarded! Get off me, ship, foul creature! Did I do it? Oh, what? Is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the dimensionator. Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the dimensionator. What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Wait, I have to find my friend.
Hi? It's me? It's me! It worked! It worked! I am the winner!
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes.